Rich.
Hey, Tyler.
Well, just left out here in the Walmart parking lot. Goddamn fucking hood's broken. This thing didn't even come off.
And if that ain't redneck, I don't know what is.
What he said. Hey, want to try fishing up here first?
Let's get down here while the tide's kind of good.
Alright.
We don't have bait, and he's like, you want to try fishing here? Hey, right there. Let's get bait.
No, they ain't gonna stay alive. There's a shitload of bait down there in the bay.
That just shut right off.
Boat just cut off. We got bait in the waterway right there. We got a couple guys up there fishing. Look like weekend warriors.
No. Give me that screwdriver. Dude, that's fucking weird, man.